afternoon students, I am back here with your next lecture. So today I am going to teach you about between numbers. So what comes? So you have to write here heading in your notebook. Okay. You have to write heading in your notebook CW. And what you have to write subject, it is math subject. So date on which date you are going to get the video, that date you have to write, and you have to write properly heading also in your notebook. Okay, I am going to write here heading. So that heading also you have to write here. W H A T, what? Okay, here what you have to write, what? COMES, comes. What comes? What comes? Okay. What comes? INA, between. BETWEEN. Between means, what is the meaning of between? Between means बीच में. Between means बीच में. जैसे when you are sitting on a bench with your friends and if you want to sit in between of the, मतलब आपको अगर बीच में बैठना है तो what you will say to your friend? May I sit in between you? May I sit in between with you? That means मैं आपके साथ में आपके बीच में बैठ सकता हूँ, बैठ सकती हूँ. So between means बीच में. Between means बीच में. So earlier what we had learned? We had learned about before number. We had learned about after number. So today we are here with between numbers. So write this heading first in your notebook. Write properly CW, that date on which date you are going to get this video, and then write properly the heading and start writing the numbers. Okay, now first you complete this heading. Okay, so here after that give gap of one column. Okay, after that give gap of one column. Okay, now here write one number. Okay, 1 0 10. 1 0 10, and here make one column properly. Then here write 1 2 12. Okay, so you know counting, all of you know counting. So just here you have to count the numbers. Okay, what is written here? 1 0 10. So what you will write after 10? 1 1 11. And after 11, 1 to 12. So see here what comes in between 10 and 12? 1 1 11. So 10 11 12. Okay, so this is between number. This is between numbers. So write this 10 11 12. Okay, now here 1 5 15. After one column, make here one block and write here 1 7 17. So here also again start counting. 1 5 15. What we have to write after 1 5 15? 1 6 16. So see here 16 comes in between 15 and 17. So 15 16 17. So 15 और 17 के बीच में आपने क्या लिखा है? 1 6 16. So 15 16 17. So write here now 2 0 20. Here one column and here write 2 2 22. Okay, so what you will write after 20? Then now start counting. 2 0 20, 2 1 21, 2 2 22. So see here what comes in between 20 and 22? 2 1 21. Okay, now after this write here 27 and 29. Now again start counting. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. Then 2, 9, 29. So what comes in between 27 and 29? 2, 8, 28. Okay. Now again here. 3, 2, 32. Here make one column. Here 34. So after 32, what will come here? 3, 3, 33. 32, 33, 34. So complete this in your notebook. Okay, now after this, give here 1, 2 column gap. Okay, I have no space here and you are not able to see from here. So I am going to give you 2 column gap here. In your notebook also, when you are writing, if you have space, proper space in your notebook, you can write after that. If you have no space, then give here 2 column gap. Then again you start writing. Okay, now here 3, 6, 36. Now here 1 column. Now here 3, 8, 38. So what will come here in between 36 and 38? Do you know? You know counting? Now let's start counting. 3, 6, 36. Now what we will write after 36? 3, 7, 37. And after 37, 3, 8, 38. So see here what will comes before 37? 3, 6, 36. What will comes after 37? 3, 8, 38. So 36, 37, 38. So 37 comes in between 36 and 38. Now start writing. After that 4, 0, 40. And here 1 column. And here 4, 2, 42. So again start counting. 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. Okay. After that here 4, 7. Then 1 column. Then 4, 9. So what do we write here? 4, 8, 48. So 48 will comes in between 47 and 49. 47, 48, 49. After that here 5, 3, 53. Now again make 1 column here. And here 5, 5, 55. So what will comes in between 53 and 55? 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. Okay. Now here once again what you have to write here after 1 column? 5, 9, 59. Here give 1 column gap. And here 6, 1, 61. So again start counting. 5, 9, 59. Here after 59 what you write? 6, 0, 60, 59, 60, 61. So now write in your notebook this. Okay, you had completed this. In the same way, you have to write your homework. So I am going to change the digits. I am going to change the digits in your homework. So do it by yourself. Don't take the help of your parents. You have to do your homework by yourself. You know counting, so you can start counting and you can write the numbers. Okay, so I am going to raise this. Okay, now first do. Okay, now I am going to change the digits. You have written the heading same as it is in your homework also. Now I am going to write your HW. This is your HW. Okay. Now you have to change the digits here. What I am going to write here, the way you have to write. And you have to do homework by yourself. Don't take the help of your parents. Okay. Now, see here, what I am going to write here, 9, 1 column gap. Here you have to fill what will come in between 9 and 11. Okay. After that, 1 column gap here, 1, 4, 14. Here 1 column gap. And here 1, 6, 16. Here 1, 9, 19, 1 column gap. Here 2, 1, 21. Now 1 column gap here. 2, 4, 24. 1 column. 2, 6, 26. Okay. And here also 3, 0, 30. 1 column gap. And here 3, 2, 32. Now complete this. Okay, write this first. Then I am going to write some more digits. After this, I am going to write some more digits. So first you complete this in your notebook. Okay, now I have no space here, but you have space in your notebook. You can write after this. I have no space. So I am giving here 2 column gap, and again I am going to write here 2, 2, 22, 1 column gap, 2, 4, 24. Okay, here, sorry, okay, 3, 6, 36, 1 column gap, 38. Okay, here 4, 8, 48, 1 column gap, then 5, 0, 50. Okay, 5, 0, 50. Here 5, 3, 53, 1 column gap, then 5, 5, 55. Here 6, 0, 60, 1 column gap. Here 6, 2, 62. Now write this in your notebook. So what you have to do here, you have to write the numbers what comes in between these two numbers. So the gap is given here. So in that gap you have to fill these gaps and you have to write what comes in between 9 and 11, 14 and 16, 19 and 21, 24 and 26, 30 and 32, 22 and 24, 36, 38, 48, 50, 53, 55, 60, 62. So you have to fill up these gaps in your homework and do it by yourself. Don't take the help of your parents. You can start counting. You can say counting and then you can fill up these gaps. Okay. Okay, now I am going to rub this. Okay, now you have to say with me once again the table of 2. I am going to write here the table of 2 and it is oral for you. This is oral portion for you. Okay, we have to repeat again and again so that you are able to learn the table of 2 properly. Okay, so this is your oral. This is your oral part. Okay, table of 2. Okay, now say with me, 2 ones are 2. Say with me, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Now here 2 threes are 2 threes are 6. Now say with me, 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. Now 2 fours are 8. Okay. And 2 fives are 1 0 10. 2 fives are 10. Then 2 sixes are 12. 1 2 12. 2 sevens are 1 4 14. 2 eights are 1 6 16. 2 nines are 1 8 18. And 2 tens are 2 0 20. So now say with me, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. So this you have to say oral again and again at your home also. Once again, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. So this table you have to repeat again and again at your home also, so that you are able to learn the table of 2. Okay. Now repeat it again and again. Okay. I am written on the board. You repeat it. Okay. So 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 what you have learned today? You have learned today what comes in between. Okay. So we had finished the exercise. What comes before, what comes just after, and what comes in between. So 3 exercises we had completed. We had completed the table of 2 also, and in our last lectures we had completed the counting till 140, from 1 to 140. So today I am going to give you a homework in your mathematics. Okay. So what homework you have to do? That you had given the homework of between numbers. That also you have to do in your notebook. Okay. That also you have to do in your notebook. And this table of 2 you had done oral in your classwork, but in your homework at least write 1 time. Okay. At least write 1 time table of 2. Your homework is today write 1 time, okay, table of 2 in your notebook and repeat it. Okay, and you have to repeat it again and again, but you have to write only 1 time. Don't write again and again. You have to write only 1 time table of 2 in your homework, and you have to repeat it again and again. And you can send your videos to me by saying the table of 2. Okay, and you know which festival is going to come on Saturday. On Saturday we have Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, so I wish you happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Enjoy your day and keep safe yourself by sneezing, while coughing. Always use your handkerchief. Okay, don't go out without using mask. Don't use more and more sanitizer. Use water and soap for washing your hands. Okay, and keep safe yourself. Don't go out for playing more time. Okay, now bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Okay.